Dear team at SSODL, dear faculty members, teachers, and other the people who have communicated with us, our mentor on regular basis, and thank you so much for providing this opportunity to us to present something that the change future of our nation, specifically into the waste management and recycling our the whole the economy. So moving back to the ideation, so actually what we are looking to present and what we have built at this point is a prototype of our ideation. So how we are looking to manage the whole waste uh, resources, and how what we are looking to build out of it, and how we are looking to sell it, and how we are looking to monitor it through our the robust platform that we have built and applications. So talking about the application, this application is not just about an application, it's about the building a circular economy that we are the thinking through it. Now moving back to the project what we have did, so we have named this project as a reform. So reform is our whole idea in which we have built a multiple category, starting from the agri and defense waste, tech waste, and resource waste, and also the retail waste. Not just We have not just selected the category but have also built a products on it. We'll deep dive into that part in coming minutes, but before we dive into the products and the category that we have and the application which we have built, now talking about the people who have backed this idea and have tremendously invested their time on the research, facts, numbers, and the impact it can make on the future of India. So now moving and starting with the alphabetical number, specifically for the team who have helped tremendously, as I've mentioned. So starting with the number, we have Amrita, me, my name is Anil Prajapati. Then we have Aditi, Ashutosh, Chandra, Disha, Keshav, Momita, Prem, Prisha, Raj, Mohammed Suhail, and Yashasvi. So these are the people have listed the information on the site, main site of our the projects. You can find the information there in the SSODL's email ID on the website. Now moving back to the product and the idea which we have built into the fourth category. So the category which I have mentioned is agriculture, defense, tech waste, waste resources, and the retail market waste. So these are not just a category but a future that can help to build a circular. We are not just trying to find a solution, we are also looking to build an economy that runs on a waste collection, recycling solution, corporate program, and a community a driven the program. So moving forward with our the idea, let's talk about in detail the kind of things which we have built for the consumer, for the businesses, and for the collectors who will be collecting the waste resources from the people, from the businesses, the kind of benefit they will be getting. Now starting with the consumer, so the consumer will help us to their all the waste resources from their home, industry, workplace, kind of any kind of thing that can they can help us. So once they help us with the the waste material, they will get assigned a green credit that we are looking to introduce with our system. So that green credit they can utilize to buy a product and get a discount from us once they buy a product from the same platform. So yeah, that's how it will help them. So they can help us with the waste material. In return, they will get assigned with the the certain credits, and they can utilize the same credit to the buy a product from us to get a heavier discount, not just for the consumer but also for the businesses. As we talk about, businesses do have to comply with the certain policies of the government to reduce the carbon footprint global level. So to do that, in India specifically, we have a multiple compliance and they need a certification. So we are not just collecting the waste material from them, but are also helping them to get comply with the government policies. And that is not just about the policy, it's about the building a economy that will run on its own and can help to reduce the carbon footprint. Not just that, not just for the businesses. So as I mentioned, so they will have to comply with the the EPR policy, data restrictions, ECG report. We will also be helping them to create the employee engagement, so that we can educate the employee about the the policies, about the our platform, their program, everything. Now moving back to the collector, who will be a backbone of this economy. So they will be helping us with a lot of things, like collecting the waste material from the businesses, from the people. They will be visiting on their place, collect the materials, raw materials or waste, you can call it anything, and then in return they will be get paid. Not just paid, they will also get a training. The safety measures needs to be taken care. They will be assigned with the the official ID card from us. And not just that, as I've mentioned, they will be also trained to use our application. So yeah, that's how we are looking to build it. Now moving back to the application, if you see, now forget about the application, let's talk about just the agriculture. One of our category, which we call is agri-cycle. So in that, if you see, we have listed, like the tons that are getting waste, untapped potential, and the global market that we have. Talking about the kind of opportunity that have the breaking down into the different parts and the products. And so in agri-cycle, we are looking to build two products. Moving back to the circuit, a back, which is a tech vest. Over there we are looking to build a 5 product. In resourceful, again we are looking to build a 3 product. And in new retail, which is completely again a new 2 product that we are looking to build. So this is not just a category, but a future for the India to build a circular economic into the waste management. So now moving back to the application, since I'm not saying this is one of the great application, but over the period of time, definitely we are looking to revamp, we are looking to improve based on the data which we get from our the vendors, our team, our the people, businesses, the people who will also do a shopping with us, from everybody. But this is just a prototype that we are looking to launch with. Now moving back to the application, so we have launched this five a particular portal which will help us to monitor all the activity across all the economy, starting from the team who will be helping us with the internal team, who will be monitoring our the collectors, businesses, everything. We have again built a different, and we are calling it a reform mitra portal, which will be used by the collectors, and they will be using this to collect. They will be getting, they will get a notifications when there is a new a project assigned to them. Then we have a business portal for the B2B client. Then we have a global admin dashboard, which will help us to monitor everything from just one place. Not just that, we have also built a customer portal to do a shopping with us. So moving forward, so these are the 13 products which we have listed over here. Customer can come over here, do a shopping with us. This is just one of the things which we have built. Not just this, going back and logging into the, let's start with the taste and password. Let's just see, let me just show you how the admin the dashboard looks like. So moving forward, so this is how we can see the overall sites, like what's happening, the total order, collection, products, system, the analytics, user management, setting, everything. We have not just built the whole thing, but we are just looking to demonstrate like how the things will flow into the system and the economy. See, now logging out from this, now going back to again using the same email ID, going to the business portal, click over here. This is the overview of the business a B2B clients will get. The certification, they can directly download it from here. The products, settings, again they can see the overall things, how our things are working for them. Not just that, let's also have a look at the reform mitra portal, which will be used by our collectors. So this is the overview, the collection logging, the earning tracker, the drop off locator, which is divided into the the category. And then training resources, as I have mentioned, they will be getting a training from us, like how to use, how to go, how to talk, how to interact, every kind of how to identify, safety, customer service, everything, digital tools, application, everything. So now moving back to again a part, let's log in it from the team. So yeah, this is how they will be tracking the order fulfillment, inventory management, Mitra Mandal collections, the product dashboards, the setting. So yeah, this is, as I've mentioned, this is how we're looking to present this. The last thing, which is a customer portal. So this is a customer portal. This is purely built for the people who will just do the shopping with us. They can place their order, they can do the setting, down browse the product, add to cart, download the data, and then overview all the product which they have ordered, item in the cart, delivered, pending orders. They can features product directly from the over here. Yeah, so that's the whole idea of building this application. As I've mentioned, we are not just looking to build an application, we are looking to build an economy, a circular economy that run its on own. We just have to monitor it. And what we think is, this is not just an idea but a future of the waste management, which we are taking to the next level using the technology, and also looking to build a community which runs on its own. So we are looking for your feedback, your insights, and your support. Thank you so much.